Have you ever wondered how you can earn money using AI? In the world as we know it today, the term artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is becoming increasingly prevalent. But what exactly is AI? At its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment, make decisions, and learn from those decisions. In layman's terms, it's about creating smart machines that can think and learn like humans. The potential of AI is astounding, and it's not just limited to tech-savvy individuals or big corporations. It's a tool that anyone, including you, can leverage to create income opportunities. The beauty of AI is that it can be applied in almost every field, from healthcare, finance, and education, to entertainment and e-commerce. It can automate tasks, analyze large amounts of data, predict trends, and even interact with humans in a natural, human-like way. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech guru or have a degree in computer science to benefit from it. With the advent of various AI tools and platforms, it's becoming easier for people with little or no technical knowledge to use AI. You can use AI to create a chatbot for your business, use it to analyze data and predict trends, or even use it to create personalized content for your audience. The possibilities are endless. The potential of AI is not just about enhancing productivity or efficiency. It's about creating new business opportunities and revenue streams. And the best part, the AI market is still in its early stages, and there's plenty of room for growth and innovation. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking for ways to grow your business, a freelancer looking for ways to increase your income, or just someone who's curious about AI, this is the perfect time to explore the potential of AI. Now, let's dive into the most accessible ways you can use AI to earn money. First on our list is the use of AI in e-commerce. Now, when you think about online shopping, you might not immediately think about artificial intelligence. But behind the scenes, AI is making a world of difference. Let's start with customer experience. Ever chatted with a customer service representative online? Chances are, you were actually interacting with a chatbot. These AI-powered tools can handle a multitude of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to tracking orders. They're available around the clock, and they can handle multiple inquiries at once, ensuring customers get fast, efficient service. And then there's personalization. You know those recommended for you sections on shopping sites? That's AI at work. By analyzing your browsing and purchasing history, AI can predict what you might want to buy next. This not only improves your shopping experience by showing you products relevant to your interests, but it also drives sales for the e-commerce business. AI also plays a crucial role in inventory management. In the past, businesses would have to manually track their stock levels, a time-consuming and error-prone process. Now, AI can predict demand for different products and automatically adjust inventory levels. This helps to prevent overstocking and understocking, reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Another application of AI in e-commerce is in pricing strategy. Dynamic pricing algorithms can analyze market trends, customer demand, and competitor pricing to adjust prices in real time. This ensures that businesses remain competitive and profitable, while also providing customers with fair prices. AI can even help with marketing. It can analyze customer behavior and preferences to create personalized marketing campaigns. This means customers are more likely to see ads and promotions for products they're actually interested in, increasing the chances of them making a purchase. So, you see, AI is revolutionizing the way e-commerce operates. It's improving customer experiences, driving sales, increasing profits, and making operations more efficient. So, if you're into e-commerce, AI can be a game changer for your business. The second accessible way to earn money with AI is through content creation. Now, when we talk about content creation, we're not just talking about writing. We're talking about graphic design, video production, even music composition. All of these can be enhanced, automated, or even entirely created by artificial intelligence. Let's start with written content. There are AI tools like natural language generation software that can create written content from scratch. From blog posts to news articles, these tools can generate content that's almost indistinguishable from something a human might write. They can save you time, increase your productivity, and allow you to focus on the strategic aspects of your content strategy. In the realm of graphic design, AI tools can create logos, infographics, and social media posts. They can analyze trends and create designs that are tailored to your brand and your audience. These tools can create high-quality designs faster than a human designer, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. Moving on to video content, AI can help here too. There are AI tools that can edit videos, create animations, and even generate video content from text. These tools can save you countless hours in the editing suite and allow you to create video content on a scale that would be impossible for a single person. And let's not forget about music. AI can now compose music in a variety of styles and moods, perfect for background music in videos or for setting the tone in podcasts. All of these AI tools for content creation can save you time, increase your productivity, and allow you to create more content faster. The more content you create, the more opportunities you have to earn money. Whether that's through advertising revenue, sponsored content, or selling your content directly to consumers. Imagine having a virtual assistant that creates content for you. That's what AI can do. The third way to earn money with AI is through trading. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of financial trading, a realm where artificial intelligence is making waves. In this arena, AI is not only used to predict market trends, but also to make informed trading decisions. Imagine the stock market, a complex, ever-changing beast. It's a world where countless variables intertwine and fluctuate, making it near impossible for the human mind to accurately predict what's around the corner. That's where AI steps in. It can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, spotting trends and patterns that would be invisible to the human eye. It's like having a superpowered magnifying glass that can see into the future of financial markets. Now let's talk about AI trading bots. These are automated systems that can buy and sell assets without human intervention. They're programmed with a set of rules to follow, like when to buy or sell, and can react to market changes in real time. This means they can trade 24/7, even when you're sleeping or on vacation. It's like having a tireless trader working round the clock on your behalf. But how exactly do these AI trading bots work? Well, they use machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, identify patterns, and make predictions. They're trained on historical data and then let loose on live markets, learning and adapting as they go. This continuous learning and adaptation is what sets AI trading bots apart from traditional trading systems. What's more, these bots can handle multiple trades at once, something no human trader could ever do. This means they can take advantage of more opportunities, potentially increasing your earning potential. Plus, they remove the emotional element from trading, which is often a trader's worst enemy. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie, AI can level the playing field. It can give you the tools to make informed decisions and potentially increase your earnings. With AI, you can trade like a pro without being one. The fourth way to earn money with AI is through app development. Now, let's delve into the realm of app development, a field brimming with potential for AI integration. AI is revolutionizing the way apps are developed, enhancing their capabilities, and making them more user-friendly. It's an exciting time to be an app developer, as AI offers a new dimension to problem-solving and value creation. Imagine a world where apps are not just a set of programmed instructions, but intelligent entities that learn from user interactions and improve over time. That's the power of AI in app development. AI-driven apps are designed to adapt based on user behavior, preferences, and needs. This makes them highly personalized and responsive, providing a unique user experience that traditional apps can't match. Let's take a look at some examples. Take the case of health and fitness apps. With AI, these apps can track user activities, analyze patterns, and provide customized workout plans or diet recommendations. This kind of personalization adds value to the user experience, making the app more attractive and thus more profitable. Or consider language learning apps. Through AI, these apps can analyze a user's learning pace, identify areas of struggle, and subsequently adjust their teaching methods for optimal learning. This level of personalization improves the overall effectiveness of the app, making it a preferred choice for users and a lucrative choice for developers. So how do these apps generate income? Well, there are several ways. Some apps are free to download, but offer in-app purchases or premium versions for advanced features. Others operate on a subscription model, charging users a monthly or yearly fee. And then there's the option of ad revenues, where apps display advertisements and earn money each time a user engages with an ad. In conclusion, AI in app development is not just about building smarter apps. It's about creating a personalized user experience that adds value and solves problems in ways previously unimagined. And as a developer or entrepreneur, it's about turning these intelligent solutions into profitable ventures. Remember, if you can dream it, AI can help you build it. The fifth way to earn money with AI is through data analysis. Now let's get this straight. We're living in a world that's practically drowning in data. Every click, every scroll, every like, it all generates data. And businesses, they're hungry for it. But it's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. That's where AI comes into play. AI can sift through mountains of data faster than any human could, spotting trends, uncovering insights, and making predictions. It's akin to having a super-powered magnifying glass that can not only see the fine print, but can also read between the lines. For example, a fashion retailer might want to know what styles are trending in a specific region, or what colors are most popular during a particular season. A traditional analysis might take weeks, even months. But with AI, these insights could be uncovered in a matter of minutes. Or consider a healthcare provider wanting to predict disease outbreaks. With AI, they can analyze patient data across the globe, looking for patterns and potentially predicting an outbreak before it happens. That's not just valuable, it's life-saving. And let's not forget about finance. Investment firms are always looking for an edge. AI can analyze market trends and financial data, helping them make investment decisions. And in this high-stakes world, even a tiny advantage can translate into enormous profits. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a data scientist. How can I possibly make money from this? Well, the beauty of AI is that it's becoming more accessible. There are platforms and tools out there that can help you harness the power of AI. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you could provide AI-based data analysis services or even create your own AI tool. So let's sum it up. In the vast ocean of data, there are pearls of wisdom waiting to be discovered. And AI, it's the high-tech diving gear that can help you find them. In the world of big data, AI is your secret weapon. As we've seen, there are many accessible ways to earn money with AI. From e-commerce and content creation to trading, app development, and data analysis, the applications of artificial intelligence span a vast spectrum of industries and sectors. Each one presents a unique opportunity for revenue generation. And all it takes is a bit of curiosity and willingness to explore. In the realm of e-commerce, AI has revolutionized the way businesses operate. It's been instrumental in predicting consumer behavior, personalizing marketing strategies, and streamlining logistics. And it's not just the big corporations that are benefiting. Small business owners, freelancers, and digital nomads are all reaping the rewards of AI integration. Content creation, a field traditionally dominated by human creativity, is also seeing a surge in AI applications. From auto-generated articles and blog posts to graphic design and video editing, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool for creatives worldwide. It's helping them produce high-quality content faster and more efficiently, freeing up their time for brainstorming and conceptualizing new ideas. On the trading front, AI algorithms are making waves with their ability to analyze massive amounts of financial data in real time. They're able to predict market trends with uncanny accuracy, enabling traders to make informed decisions and capitalize on fleeting opportunities. If you're into stocks, forex, or cryptocurrency, AI can be your secret weapon. App development too has been transformed by AI, whether it's creating intuitive user interfaces, optimizing app performance, or developing intelligent features. AI is making apps smarter and more user-friendly. And with the app economy booming, there's never been a better time to get on board. Finally, we've seen how AI is revolutionizing data analysis. It's making sense of vast amounts of data, uncovering patterns and insights that would have been impossible for humans to detect. This is leading to smarter business decisions, more effective marketing strategies, and improved products and services. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the most accessible ways to earn money with AI. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless and new opportunities are emerging every day. Don't let the complexity of AI intimidate you. Embrace it, explore it, and let it open doors you never knew existed. Remember, the world of AI is not exclusive to tech gurus and computer scientists. It's a world that welcomes entrepreneurs, creatives, traders, developers, analysts, and anyone with a thirst for knowledge and a desire to innovate. The future of AI is bright, and it's time for you to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.